Well, we're going to be doing some DIY decor today. Hey, I'm Janelle and this is toDIYfor. If you're new to my channel, I do new DIYs every Wednesday. Would love for you to subscribe, check out what I'm doing. I try to keep things very budget friendly, and if you're not already following me on Instagram, definitely do so there because I share other stuff over there. I've got a new puppy, the training, just cute photos of her and the day-to-day life. So definitely go check that out. But today I am going to do a little bit of an Anthropology dupe. Look, I love to go scrolling through websites that I just simply can't afford anything from. You know, a girl can dream. But I am going to use a little bit of inspiration from this photo that I saw here, and we're going to kind of try to create our own decorative basket. So let's get into it.
All right, so I just started with one of these cloth rugs. I found mine at Giant Tiger for $5. You could probably find something similar at the dollar store as well. And the bigger your rug, the bigger your basket is going to be. This is just a standard mat. So I'm going to hot glue this together, kind of folding in these ends on top of each other to hide that because it's a little different look than the rest of the rug. And then we're gonna get to some of the finer details. So just simply using some yarn and a fork, I'm going to kind of wrap the yarn around in a bit of a figure eight, a couple of loops on each side before switching, and you just go back and forth as many times as you want to make this as long as you like. And then to add it onto your basket, we're going to add a bead of hot glue right along the center. Press your fork into your basket, pull it out gently, trim off any edges, and we've got a cool little design. Now, the other thing that I did was simply just wrapping the yarn all the way around the fork. This is a lot quicker. It doesn't give as nice of a look in my opinion, but you're going to add hot glue again toward the entire back of it. You're going to want to make sure that the strands of yarn all around the edges, you've got a lot of glue there. You want to make sure that sticks everywhere. Trim off your edge, maybe tuck in the last little other edge with a little bit of extra hot glue. And as you can see, that's the kind of design that I did on my basket. So it is up to you. There's lots of different techniques you can use with that, but those are two different easy ones with a fork. To do the bottom of the basket, as you can see, I've folded in the corners on themselves there, glued them in. It's about a couple of inches. I could have probably went a little bit deeper with those cuts in. And then along the bottom of the basket, I'm just using the hot glue and gluing it straight shut. So those corners pop in and kind of fold in like so, and then your basket's just gonna sit up like this. And we are using ours to store all of our dog treats, which there are many. She's a little spoiled, but also other dog tools like her brush, her nail clippers, her car seat clip-in. And I'm going to put this all tucked away. It looks nice and cute. Decorative basket, and it is all propped up on top of her dog crate topper, which is a DIY that I created last week if you did not see it. So it's just been so handy to have this as some extra storage and make some space in the rest of our apartment where we were originally storing this, and you don't even know what's in there, and it looks so cute. Let me know what you thought of the DIY. I'll be back next week with a new one.